Here's the savory recipe for a fabulous couscous salad with grilled nectarines. Dissolve the chicken stock cube in 1 cup of boiling water. Put the couscous in a bowl. Pour in the broth and stir well. Cover and let stand about 4 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a frying pan without oil or butter and toast the pine nuts for 3 minutes on medium heat until golden brown. Allow to cool on a plate. Cut the nectarines with a sharp knife around the center. Carefully twist the halves in opposite directions and remove the pits. Cut the flesh into pieces. Heat the grill pan. Brush the nectarine slices with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and grill for 3 minutes until grill marks appear. Turn halfway. Cut the green onions into thin rings. Zest and juice the lime. Finely chop the mint leaves. Make a dressing with the remaining olive oil, green onion, lime zest and juice, and 2/3 of the mint. Season with salt in moderation and pepper. Cut away the green stem and a small slice from the bottom of the fennel bulb. Reserve the stem for later. Cut the fennel into slices. Stir the couscous with a fork. Mix in the dressing, fennel, arugula, and half of the nectarines. Divide the rest of the nectarines and pine nuts over the couscous. Sprinkle with the remaining mint and fennel tops. Now enjoy your savory couscous salad with grilled nectarines.